Hey guys, it's Avery. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So for today's look, I tried out the blood sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh my god, once I saw this on his YouTube, I was like, okay, that's it. I'm getting it. Like I literally, I was so in love with this palette the first time I laid eyes on it. So it released Saturday, which was February 10th, I think. And it sold out in 3 minutes, and luckily I was one of those people to get it, and I'm just so in love with it. You'll hear more about it in like when I actually get into the video, but some facts about this is that it's $53. This was the first time I ever tried out some Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadow. I have their highlighters, but this is the first time I tried it, and honestly, actually no. You guys are just gonna have to wait and see in the video my thoughts about it, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. That's really all I have to say. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done and my makeup brushes are all clean, and I'm just so excited. So let's just hop in with the eyeshadow. It is white and it is shiny, and it has the Jeffree Star logo in red. And then it has all the information on the back. Okay, and then we open it up, and this is what the outside looks like. It is faux leather, and it says blood sugar. And then it has some information on the back as well. So we're just going to open it up. I did open it, but I didn't swatch anything. This is what it looks like. So pretty. I honestly wish I got this before Valentine's Day, because it's like all red and stuff, and it would be perfect for Valentine's Day, but I didn't, and that's fine. So let's just like hop in. I'm so excited. Okay, so I already set my eyes, which I probably shouldn't have because I could have used more shades, but I'm actually going to start off with the shade Glue Close, which is pale white shade, and I've actually never used like a white eyeshadow before, and I'm going to apply this right underneath my brow bone. I'm next going to take this kind of mustardy transition shade, which is the shade Ouch, with a fluffy brush and blend this into my crease. I'm then going to take the shade Cake Mix, which is a little bit lighter and more neutral, and blend that a little bit higher so it blends into that white shade. Okay, we're looking good and blended. We're going to take the shade Prick, which has a different design than the others, and it's kind of like a pricker. I don't know what you call it. And we're gonna take that on a smaller blending brush and apply this to the crease. So we're blending this, and it's pretty pigmented and seems like it's blending out nicely. I decided I wanted to do a red look because I honestly don't have a lot of red eyeshadows. I think that's like the color I least have, so I want to play with it a little. Then with the same brush, we're going to take the shade Cherry Soda and mix in a little bit of Intravenous, which is like that chocolate brown shade, and blend this on the outer corner. And we're also going to blend this in the inner corner because I haven't done a halo eye in a while, so why not? So we're going to do kind of a matte upper part. I don't really know what we're going to do with the lower lash line, but I'm going to go back into that Glue Close shade and apply this in the center. So next I'm actually going to apply some Ardell lashes, and these are the Wispies multi-pack. I'm just opening these up and trying them out as well. I'm going to apply a thin line of my NYX liner so the lash band is covered. Now I'm going to apply the lashes, so I'll be right back. Lashes are on, and these are super pretty and comfortable, and I actually like them. Oh my god. So we're gonna start the face. For primer, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Primer. This is actually a new one because I finished my first one. So I just apply this right around my nose, well, on my nose, and right around it, like the cheeks around it, because that's usually where I get pores, and then on my forehead. And this will just give you a nice matte base that'll cover your pores and fill them in, and it will give you some flawless skin. I'm then going to be using my beauty blender and my Fenty Beauty foundation, which is in the shade 270, and just bounce this on the skin. As you can see, it's a little bit dark for me, but it is my favorite foundation, so I can't stop using it even though it's my summer shade and I don't want to buy a new one. I'm then going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is just like a really pretty concealer that has very good coverage. And I'm applying it in my normal spots and then just gonna blend it out once again. And then to just brighten the eyes a little bit more, I'm going to take the same concealer in a different shade, light neutral, and just apply this really close to that inner corner, just so we look a little bit more awake. And then for powder, I'm gonna just take my Laura Mercier, but I'm not really baking. I'm taking a little bit and just applying it right close, very close to the lash line. Actually, I'm kind of baking, but like only for like 2. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it and just set the entire face very, very lightly so we don't look cakey or anything. And then for bronzer, I'm going to take some my Hoola bronzer and just work that into the outer part of my face to give it a little bit more of a sun-kissed look. Actually, I kind of want to try something new. I'm going to be taking this Naked, it's actually a highlighter, but I got it in a really dark shade by accident because I wasn't looking. And I'm going to take the tiniest bit of this, and just for like a really subtle natural bronze, I'm going to apply this. It might not even do anything since I took so little, but I really just want to try it out. So I forgot to contour, so I'm just going to quickly do that with my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. It's not going to be super precise, but so for a highlighter, I'm actually going to be using my Jeffree Star highlighter. I have 2 shades, Princess Cut and Siberian Gold. This is more of like a purpley, fun colored look, and Siberian Gold is just pretty much a gold. These are normally $30, but I got them on sale for $15, so I'm going to be taking Siberian Gold to be my favorite highlighter, but to me personally, it's a little chunky and it's basically just glitter, not like the more natural, well, not natural, but the more sheen I like. It's just more glitter, but it still is really pretty. So okay, and then just to finish off the entire look, I'm going to be using my Milani Flower Blush and just blend in. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to continue on with the red theme, and I'm taking the shade Pret and just sweeping that under. And then I'm going to take the shade Cherry Soda and also apply this underneath. Then I'm going to just spritz this brush. It's like a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm taking the shade Sweetener and applying this in the inner corners. This is like really pretty. It's kind of like peachy, but it's also goldish. Then I'm going to just apply some of my Colossal Big Shot mascara from Maybelline. So I'm just going to apply this Berrywood lip liner from Dusty Rose Cosmetics. And then I'm just going to apply some of this Cream Sheen Nip-On from MAC. And it's like this sparkly lipstick. And this is the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed this palette, and I'm going to continue using it because it's honestly great. It's worth the price, definitely. And yeah, you will definitely see more looks on my Instagram, which is makeupbyavery. Or on here, I don't know. But please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. That's really all I have to say. So I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day or night wherever you are. And yeah, bye!